So pulling Knowi data into Google Sheets. So specify your sheet, go to extensions, app script, and grab the script from community site and put in your API key as well as the dataset name and change up the cloud MQL filter if need be. And then go into triggers and add a trigger. Let's see. Save this. And once you save it, it should ask for a authentication pop-up. If it gets blocked, allow that. So now I've got the trigger run as well. So every time the sheet is opened up, this is going to get, it's going to pull in that data set essentially from Knowi. So as you're opening up that sheet, give it a few seconds, and then you should see that show up.